Now, we are going to learn about capitalization. Capitalization is when we write or replace the first letter of a word with a capital letter. Have a look at these sentences. Today is Monday. It's not a correct sentence because it's not capitalized. To write it in a correct way, we should capitalize the letter T of today, as it's the first word of the sentence, and M of Monday, as it's the day of a week. The big question is that, which words do we capitalize? We capitalize proper nouns like the names of people. L of Lucy is kept capital, as it's a name, and hence a proper noun. M of Mary is kept capital, as it's the name of a girl. We capitalize proper nouns, like the names of pets. M of Mickey is kept capital, as it's the name of a mouse. G of Garfield is kept capital, as it's the name of a cat. We also capitalize proper nouns, like the names of places, cities, and countries. F of France is kept capital, as it's the name of a country. M of Mount and E of Everest is kept capital, as it's the name of a mountain. As the months in a year are also proper nouns, so their first letter will also be kept capital. For example, in the sentence, my birthday is in April, M of my is kept capital, as it's the first word of the sentence, and A of April is also kept capital, as it's the name of the month in which I was born. Names of days in a week are also proper nouns, so their first letter is also kept capital. In the example sentence, our weekend starts from Sunday. O of R is kept capital, as it's the first word of the sentence, and S of Sunday is also kept capital, as it's the name of the day. Names of our cultural and religious holidays are also proper nouns, so their first letter is also capital, like C of Christmas is kept capital, as it's the name of a holiday. H of Halloween is kept capital, as it's also the name of a holiday. The word I is also kept capital, even if it comes in the middle of a sentence. For example, in the sentence, I have a dog, I, which is coming at the beginning of the sentence, is kept capital. In another sentence, can I have a glass of juice? C of can is kept capital, as it's coming at the beginning of the sentence, whereas I is not coming at the beginning of the sentence, still it's kept capital.
If you liked this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.